Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to list all the user and user groups in terminal of Debian system. So earlier I had shown you some terminal commands that will show how the user is subscribed to different user groups in Debian. So in this video we will show how to list all the users and user groups in terminal. So this command is little different. So earlier we have seen how the user is subscribed to different groups or is a member of the system groups in Debian or any Debian or Ubuntu based Linux distribution. So today we are going to do a little bit different. So today we are going to list all the user and user groups of Debian system in a terminal. So let us start. You have to issue this command cut space dash small d colon, then you have to use this dash F1 space /etc/ password. So this command will list all, you can see these are all the groups in a Debian system. So these are all user groups in a Debian system. So this is all for example root, daemon, bean, system. So this is system groups are there. Games is a user group. This is ManDB group, then LP, this is for the printer, mail, news, UUCP, proxy. This is the web browser data, backup, list. So these are all system groups. Some are the application groups. You can see here. So this mail is an application group. Then your news is also application group. Send daemon, then you got the speed dispatcher. So these are system groups. Firmware update, refresh, these are all system groups. I'm not going in all in detail each and every group. And finally at the bottom you can find Sammy is there. So Sammy is the user that has been created in this Debian system, and you got a underscore flatpak is there. So this is the flatpak group. So this is all the different user groups and user. So user groups might be application group or it can be a system group. Both is shown here, and the user is the nothing but the user that is enrolled in this system, or you can say created in this system, that is Sammy for this system. There is only one user. So all here got enlisted. So total around 38 users and user groups are there on this Debian system. So this is a way to check out all the users and user group in Debian system using a terminal. So now I will stop here. In the next video we will see some more technicalities of Linux. Bye bye.